Hi, I'm Flight Officer Paramedic Matt Calcutt of the California Highway Patrol. Today we are with world-class mountaineer Adrian Balinger from Alpenglow Expeditions. He's going to give you some tips on how to travel in the backcountry and use your cell phone in case of an emergency.
Hi there, my name is Adrian, and today I'll be talking about using a smartphone as a GPS device while traveling in the backcountry. All of us are familiar with navigation using our phone with a basic mapping app like Google Maps or similar, but it's important to realize that these apps only work when you have cell service. The actual map data is stored online, and if you do not have a good cell signal, then you have no maps. There's a great solution to this dilemma though by using GPS apps that store maps on our phone. We can operate away from cell service areas. But how does the phone know where it's located if there is no service? Modern smartphones have a bona fide GPS chip inside, just like a standalone GPS device does. This system is known as a GPS, Assisted GPS. In addition to using the GPS chip, the phone also uses cell towers and local Wi-Fi networks to rapidly pinpoint your location. This means that even when you are away from cell service, your phone can find out where you are and show you on a pre-downloaded map. Before you enter the backcountry, you simply download the maps to the area you will be traveling in. The maps are high quality and can be easily deleted after the trip if you need more storage. One thing to keep in mind, however, is that phones use a large amount of power while navigating with GPS. It's best to not keep the phone and app running for long periods of time while navigating, and instead use it occasionally to check your progress or location. You can quickly kill a battery if you're not careful. We'll be making another video with tips and tricks to get the most out of your phone battery while in the backcountry. Stay tuned.